This is the second guitar in the chorus to Dance Dance by Fall Out Boy. This one contains a little technique called octaves, which we'll get to. This whole thing starts with what I spoke of earlier, the octave. And the way we approach this one is we are going to use our first finger on the second fret of the fifth string and our third finger on the fourth fret of the third string. So we're actually skipping a string, the fourth string that we used to do in the power chord just a minute ago in the first guitar to the verse. Now the fourth string here is going to be muted by the edge of your index finger. So we're not going to hear that note, we're just going to hear two notes, and we're going to brush the pick through just three strings, the fifth, fourth, and third. And our move from there is going to be to fifth fret, same idea, octave, then to seventh, then fourth, back to seventh. So we have second, fifth, a little bit of a slide here, to seventh, fourth, back to seventh. Now the picking here is the first bunch are down up picks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Then down ups here. Our slide, just one pick on fourth, and then one pick on seventh. Now that's the first time around. The second time around is a little bit different. It's going to go. So what we're doing here is we're going second, just like before, fifth, just like before, seventh, just like before, fourth, just like before, and then we're adding a little tag in here. We're going to have an octave between the open A string and the second fret of the third string. So you see I'm kind of muting out the fourth string with the edge of my first finger here, so that doesn't ring while I'm fretting the second fret of the third string. And it sounds like that. It sounds a little bit muddy, but that's just the way the chord is. In the mix of the song, you really can't hear the mud because there's a couple guitars going in the song. And from there we go back to second fret, octave. So again, that next part, that second part, and then you finish it out the next two rounds with the same thing we did for the first round. Like so. So when you put it all together, here's what it's going to look like. First time through. Second time through. Third time through. Fourth time through. And then it's going to be back into verse number 2, which we'll explore next.